How to upload science practical marks to online SIBs. In this video, you will learn how to upload science practical marks to the online SIBs portal. This process currently applies to grade 10 science practical scores. In the near future, this feature will also be made available for grade 12. Before we begin, please take note of the following requirements. First, make sure you have collected all 50 science practical marks. Second, make sure you are able to log into the online SIBs portal. Let's begin. Part 1. Logging into online SIBs. Step 1. Connect your computer to the internet. Step 2. Launch your internet browser, such as Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or another supported browser. Step 3. In the website address bar, type sibs.mitms.com. Then press enter. Step 4. This will bring up the online SIBs portal. Enter your username. Your username will be your registered email address. Then, enter your password. This password was supplied to you by the Measurement Services Division, Education Department. Step 5. Click Login. This will bring up 6 verification fields. Step 6. Log into your registered email account and retrieve the one-time passcode, or OTP. You will have 2 minutes to enter the OTP. If you exceed the 2-minute limit, you will need to enter your login credentials again. Step 7. Enter the OTP code into the 6 verification fields. Then, click Verify. Step 8. This will take you to the online SIBs portal. Part 2. Downloading the Science Practical template. Before continuing, make sure that you have already uploaded your student data to the Online Student Information Booklet, or SIBs. Step 9. Go to the Open Template tab. Step 10. Scroll down to the Practical section. Step 11. Under this section, click Download Template. The Science Practical template will then be downloaded to your computer. Step 12. Open the template. You can normally find the downloaded file in your Downloads folder. Step 13. When prompted, click Enable Editing or Enable Content, depending on the message displayed by Microsoft Excel. Step 14. You will need to complete 2 sections. Part A and Part B. Step 15. Fill out both sections as demonstrated in this video. Please take note, Part A is out of 30 marks. Part B is out of 20 marks. Do not exceed these totals. The combined total for Part A and Part B must be 50 marks. Step 16. Check the red area carefully to make sure there are no errors in the science practical data. Step 17. If the science practical data is correct, save the template by clicking the Save button. Then, return to the Online SIBs portal. Part 3, Uploading the Science Practical Data. Now, let's upload the science practical data. Step 18. Under the Download Template section, and under Science Practical, click the Browse button. Step 19. This will open the File Selection dialog box. Locate the Science Practical template that you have just updated. Select the file and click Open. Step 20. The selected file will now appear in the Upload section. Make sure you click the Upload button. This will begin the upload process. Step 21. A notification will be displayed to indicate that the data has been uploaded successfully. Step 22. If there are no corrections required, proceed by clicking the Submit and Lock button. Please remember, once you submit and lock the data, you will not be able to update it again. If you need to make further changes after submitting and locking the data, you will need to contact the Measurement Services Division to reactivate the data for editing and updating. Step 23. After the data has been uploaded successfully, Excel and PDF report tabs will become available, as shown on the screen. Click on both reports to review and check the science practical data that you have just uploaded. Congratulations, you have successfully uploaded your science practical marks. Part for editing science practical marks. If you have made an error, you can edit the science practical data that you uploaded. Step 24. Go to the Open Manage Records tab. Here, you can find various student records, including nomination data, Grade 9 internal marks, Grade 10 internal marks, Science practical marks, Written expression examination marks, Examination marks. Step 25. Click on Practical. This will display the science practical data that you have just uploaded. If you did not submit and lock the data during the upload process, you can edit the scores here. However, if the data has already been submitted and locked, you will need to contact the Measurement Services Division to enable editing. Step 26. Click on the field or select the score that you want to update. Enter the new score. Step 27. Click Save to update the changes. Conclusion. And that's it. That is how you upload science practical marks to the Online Student Information Booklet, or SIBS. Make sure to click on the Logout button to exit the program. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and updates. We look forward to bringing you more similar videos in the future. Thank you for watching.